but don't get crazy. Punctuality is about respecting time and completing the task on time. Time is precious. Don't let it pass by. So once it's gone, there's nothing but to cry. Punctuality is a great virtue for life. If you always follow punctuality, you have a future bright. It's the best protein to stay right. Thank you.
Importance of punctuality in life. Example, rising of the sun, blooming of flowers, season arrival, etc. Punctuality is very important to get ahead in life. Punctuality brings contentment and happiness in life as we feel relief when all tasks are completed on time. Punctuality is to do a work at its right time. Punctuality can be maintained as a habit in various ways like making diary for the work, setting a reminder for an important task, using a timer, etc. The person who is more punctual earns greater